can you introduce yourself and what's your project all about?
So I'm Rajat.
I'm Anirudh.
Hello guys, I'm Rikesh.
And our project is all about helping children escape from depression, cyberbullying and internet addiction.
Okay, and so how have you guys built this project? I mean, what technology have you used to build this?
Our project is basically built entirely in JavaScript and Node.js, and it has various mixes of technology, like we are using Google API, Bing Search API, Microsoft Cognitive Services, Azure
Cloud.
Like we have got a pretty good mix of technologies down our build. It's basically a Chrome extension and a mobile app as well.
Okay, so where did the idea come from? What was the inspiration behind this idea?
Well, we were going through ideas that we can pitch for Imagine Cup and some real global problems that we can solve. We had like 3 to 4 ideas initially, and in the end, like 4 ideas made it to the final, like of what we had to pick, and then it was our call.
So how long did you guys work on the project?
It's been like
3 or 4 months we have been.
3 or 4 months. We have been like working since February on this.
Okay.
And it's been a great time working on this project.
And how do you find Redmond? Are you enjoying your trip?
Yes.
Yeah, it's definitely amazing.
Wonderful place.
Have you found time between all these presentations to actually go around?
Actually not.
It was a packed schedule.
It was a very packed schedule for us.
Let's hope we get some time afterwards.
Yeah.
So can you please quickly take us through a demo of your solution?
Yes, so I guess Mikesh will.
So to help the children who are facing the cyberbullies, let's say I'm gonna type this message. You're an asshole. And see, I've actually typed this, you're an asshole. However, as soon as I send it, it's changed to you're a jerk. So this is how we're expecting to help people who are the victim of cyberbullies. And let's say if there is a person who is addicted to pornography, and we try to decrease the pornography by excluding by taking down all the pornographic content that is there and blocking it right away. So for example, if a child accidentally lands up onto a pornographic site, let's say pornhub.com, and it tries to access it, and bam, it's blocked directly.
Okay.
What we are actually doing is we are sort of cleaning up the internet with the help of all the technologies that are available to us. We are cleaning up language, profane content, so that children are not susceptible to it. We also redirect them to something that they really like in order to let their mind off be something that is very depressing.
But you already have VPN networks and all that to do that. So how is your solution different?
So VPNs can be used to thwart such solutions, but ours is basically a content analyzer. So what we do is we analyze all the content that is available on the screen to determine whether the content is really bad for the child, whether they should see it, whether we should convert it. So our solution is basically the final layer between what is displayed on the screen and what the child sees.
Okay. Does it also work on other platforms like YouTube, Facebook?
Yeah.
It works on every website that you're going to visit. So let's say if you're visiting YouTube, you're visiting YouTube and then you're seeing subtitles on a video in YouTube. Even those subtitles, they are replaced immediately if they contain the profane content.
So this is a plugin based solution, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what if someone disables the plugin?
So we are working on a desktop application right now that does not allow you to do that. And if you try to do that, the desktop application has many such modules that kick in order to again keep you safe.
And so after someone's actually after you detected that someone's been a victim or there is something wrong going on, how does your solution work in terms of informing the parents or caretakers in terms of the next action steps?
So we have a mood analyzer that analyzes and learns about how your child is behaving, how your child really is. And as soon as the child leans towards depression, we tighten our security around him and inform the parents via a chatbot that's available on Facebook Messenger.
And in case he does any harmful stuff, we redirect him to a page with his interest so that he's distracted from it.
For example, in this page, the child is interested in Cristiano Ronaldo. So we redirected him to the videos of Cristiano Ronaldo so that he can actually be distracted from whatever the self-harm he was up to.
Right. So your solution is called Content Homes, right?
Yes.
So what was the idea behind that? Was it like,
Because
obviously like with Sherlock Holmes, but
Yeah. So it's like Sherlock Holmes knows pretty cool stuff, right?
Right.
He's able to analyze the situation and come up with the solutions to the mysteries. So
We
are
analyze
able-
content.
analysis.
Basically, we analyze content. So
That's how
That's
we
how
came up with
we
the name Content Homes.
So you guys did compete at the national level in India, right?
Yes.
How many
Yes.
teams did you guys compete with?
27 teams were there.
50. Also in the national.
In the national finals, there were
National,
27 teams, and we were the first amongst them.
Oh,
the
so
winners.
you guys beat 26 teams almost.
Yes.
Okay. And what kind of support did Microsoft give you guys in this whole journey?
So Microsoft was pretty supportful in the sense that we got we have a mentor. His name is Shreyas, and he has been helping us out ever since, like our inception of the project after we won Imagine Cup Nationals. He has helped us prepare presentations, pitches, and even if it is like say 9 or 10 or 2 in the night, he would come through and help us.
Right. So what's next? Are you guys looking to actually, take this forward in terms of a startup or some kind of funding or seed? Or is there any plan
Yes.
in terms of an actual business model that's going to be beyond just the project?
So our aim is to help children. So this is a pretty big market that we have here, and this is a pretty good opportunity since our solution is pretty unique. So we aim to capitalize on this and launch it to the market as a startup. We also aim to go into we also aim to explore other avenues like open source, GSOC,
and businesses.
and businesses.
Okay, so lastly, you guys told me about numbers, but just to let everybody back in India know about how big a problem cyberbullying is, could you just help me with the numbers in terms of how many people
Okay.
are affected and what's the projection like?
So across the globe, 1 billion children use the internet, and out of that, our researchers found out that 430 million children have been bullied at least once, and 810 million children have access to online pornography before the age of 18. And these two are major factors that contribute to depression in children. And due to this, 150 million children are currently depressed.
Wow, so obviously this is a big problem, which means there are solutions in the market already, right?
Yes.
You have Kaspersky solution, you have a couple more. So how is your solution better than existing retail products in the market?
So the existing retail products in the market are not necessarily machine learning or AI based, in the sense that they are very easy to thwart using VPNs and redirections. They also do not focus on depression and cyberbullying, the things that really matter. What they focus on is taking the data from the child's machine, blocking all the pornographical content, taking the data, dumping it on the parent's machine, and the parents have to sift through large amounts of data in order to check if something is wrong. But we analyze that data and help the children, like we take action on what a parent would take. We take similar actions, and only the parent is only involved if and only if it is absolutely necessary.
We are like a babysitter for the child. And the important thing is, even though these solutions are present, only 1/3 of parents actually know that this is an issue. Many of them are not aware of the fact that this is a big issue. And also, children don't tell their parents. Around 1 in every 10 child only tells that if he has been cyberbullied.
Or is depressed.
So the age group is, you're saying about what? Under 15?
Under 15.
8 to 15.
Yeah. So these people, the kids nowadays are quite smart, right? So plus, how will you convince them to install a plugin? Because the entire issue of privacy, security, and all that could also crop up. So how will you manage?
So our
that?
major aim was not to invade the child's privacy.
Right.
So the parents don't get any data about what the child is actually doing. The parents get numbers as to how the child is progressing. Like that's what they really care about. They just want that the child is okay, whatever he may be doing. They have a peace of mind, and we have interesting redirections to what if say as you can see this page, we redirect to something interesting,
Right.
to something that the child really likes. So this can be a major go through for the child, that I am getting something that I really like, I am getting news and all that, and this really helps me.
Have you tried this on any actual test cases?
Yes, so we have an active beta testing program. It will be great if you could look into it. Our website is www.contentrooms.com. You can go there, be an active member, subscribe to us, and actually see this product in the working by downloading it yourself.
Great stuff, guys. All the best, and thanks a lot